welcome back to my channel Drabtofab. So how are you all? I hope all are doing great, and first of all wish you all a very happy Diwali. Although the year was not so happy, but still stay positive, enjoy the festivals, make up your mind somehow and smile. So it's very clear from the title that this video is going to be on Diwali makeup look. Get ready with me, sort of a tutorial. So if you have not checked out my previous uploads that was on skincare for Diwali, do check them out. And now without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. So this is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Buff. Now make sure to moisturize your face before starting with the makeup process.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.
LA Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige to hide my dark spots.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand Sable to highlight some areas like nose, under my eyes, and also to prep my eyes before eyeshadow.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light 15 to set my face.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
NYX setting spray to lock the makeup whole day long. And also, if you are new here, kindly take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon. And guys, I'm really sorry, I always forget to use a primer. Now moving on to face contouring, I'm using Maybelline Master Contour Palette and taking that bronzier shade and applying it very lightly.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
And now for the blush, I'm using the same palette.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
And now I need some extra blush, so I'm using Biotic blush in the shade Coral. And now I'm taking that darker brown shade from Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette, and with the help of the Foolie, just combing my eyebrows. Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and it's blue in color. I'm just going to create a very small wing liner with this. Now this look is super easy and beautiful. You can obviously switch on to the colors according to your outfit. I'm wearing green outfit, so I am using this blue, aqua bluish type of color. You can definitely use what you are wearing. So that's how my eyes are looking after using the kajal. Now with the help of the Q-tip, I'm just going to smudge this out. You can definitely use a smudger also.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
And now I'm going back to the Wet n Wild eyeshadow and taking that brown color and applying it on my crease as well as on my lower lash line.
Turn us to thousands. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
And now I'm using again the same highlighter to highlight under my brows and inner eye corners.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Pack lip liner in the shade Mauve to line my lips.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on.
And now I hope you can clearly see how much I love this shade from Nykaa Lip Crayon in the shade Lacy Luck. And on top of that, I'm just patting little this pink lipstick from L18 in the color pink. I don't remember the shade because ये बहुत पुराना हो चुका है. And lastly, to lock all the makeup longer, I'm using NYX setting spray. And now I have just scented parted my hair and combed them back roughly into a lower ponytail. That's super easy peasy kind of hairstyle. And I have already made a separate video on all of these accessories. If you have not watched it, you can now definitely go and watch it. The link is provided in the description box. So here is the completed look 1. And I hope you like it, and you can definitely switch on to the colors according to your outfit and create a wing liner, and it's super easy. Now moving on to the look 2. And now for this look, I'm using eyeshadow stick from K Beauty and it's in the shade Jaded Glow. And I have placed this all over my eyelid below the crease area. And now you can definitely see the difference. Now with the same Q-tip, I'm just going to smudge this out so that there are no harsh lines. And now I'm going back to the same eyeshadow palette and taking that lighter brown shade and applying it all over my crease area as well as lower lash line and blending it nicely.
Hold me close till I get up.
So that's how my eyes are looking at this point of time. Now it's month of sparkling days. Diwali is here, guys. So obviously it's good to add some sparkling glitter. So this is Desert Dusk from Swiss Beauty glitter eyeshadow, and I'm just going to take it on my fingers and apply it on the lid of my eyes, basically the center of the eyes.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Maybelline Hypercurl mascara, and here's the completed second look, and this look is definitely a glam one. So these are the footwears that I'm going to wear this Diwali, and I got this from Ajio app. So I got this outfit from Myntra from the brand Libas, and the pant has 2 pockets. It's Plazo Kurta set, and I love the fabric, the feel, the color, the vibes, everything about this kurta. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Now I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.